Hi guys. Merry Christmas. What's one time of year? Hey, you want a cookie? Alright, I got it. Piano tutorial, and it is gonna be for the drum roll, please. Oh, drum roll, please. Mickey's theme. Yes, I'm doing a piano tutorial for Mickey's theme. People have been asking for it. No, it's just more like people have commented saying they really liked it, and then I offered to do a tutorial, and I told them I'd do that, and so I have to do it now. So yeah, all right, this is the piano, and so it's just this. So we're at the piano. This is actually a while after I filmed that first part. So I filmed that first part like in like I don't even know when, like February, and it's September now. So that's how long? No, it's October now. Holy, that's how long it's been, guys. I am so sorry. Just please, I really hope most of you stayed in tune for this, because it's finally here. Finally, guys. Okay, so here it goes. So basically we're gonna start out with just put your hands like this. I've never really done a tutorial before, so I don't really know how to teach this, but I will do my best. So you're gonna start out with this chord, G, G, middle C, and C, D, E. See, I don't know. G, middle C, and E. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with that. You're gonna pedal, and you're gonna start with that, and just go back and forth for a couple measures. So you're just gonna go back and forth. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then hit it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. So 4 sets of 4. You're gonna do that, and then you're gonna come here and you're gonna start the. I'm gonna slow it down. So and then you just said G, G flat, G, G flat, A, G, C. B, A, G. So no. Oh wait. Okay. So here's when it gets, the left hand gets different. So see what I did there? I went. So I went from E to E flat, or D sharp, whatever you want to call it. And so yeah, so during that, and then when you hit the B up here, you're gonna want to hit the E sharp at the same time. So yeah, and then that's that, and then same thing. Okay, wait. That. And then again. And then you go, instead of going to B, you're going to go to D. And then do that. And then here's like the next part. It's, and then you're gonna, the chord is gonna change a little bit, so it's just A, C, middle C, A, middle C, and F with A, G, nope, A flat, B, A, while since I've played this. And so right there, you're going to want to go. And then you go. Like that. And then you're just going to repeat the same thing again. So, here again. So that's the first part. And then here comes the bridge type part. And so, what did I play in the original video? How did I play it? Sound right. Here, I'm gonna go listen to the song real quick again, and then I'll come back. Okay, I think I figured it out. So it's this chord, D, D, G, and B. Oh boy, this camera's running out of memory. If it cuts off, if it cuts off randomly, just know. Okay, we're back. It literally cut me off right as I was warning you about it. So, but now we're back because I fixed it. Okay, so here, let's go. So we were doing the bridge type thing. So it goes. That's the left hand. That's it. So, and then the right hand is. So put it together and. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, so that was it was not the best example, but you get the idea. You just follow along from there, and so then it just literally goes back to the same thing it was before. So yeah, the only thing I'm adding in is the octave lower. So oh my God. Sorry guys, it's been so long since I played it. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. Okay, so yeah, so the only difference to the ending, so that you literally just do the entire the thing you did in the beginning, just add on the octave thing before you do the melody again, and then the end is just. so it's just... So you just do the twice, and then you pot, and then you pause, and then so. Okay, wait. There you go. That's pretty much it. Okay, so, oh man. So man, oh. There you guys have it. Mickey's theme on the piano, my dudes. What? Mickey's theme on the piano. And you finally have a tutorial. I don't know why it just cut me off there, but you know, you finally have a tutorial. It has been... Okay, it has been so long. You guys have been asking and I told you like 9 months ago, and somebody's calling. No, not yet. Yeah. It has been so long, and I am so glad I finally got to do it. Thank you guys for being patient, those that were patient, I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys. I really hope this helps you, and, you know, I really hope it makes you... learn. I hope it helps you learn. Yeah. Since my editing right now, I'm currently editing this video. Just while I'm, you know, alright. So, thank you guys for watching. You guys are great. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just gonna end this video. And I hope you guys liked it. Just subscribe, like it. I'm just kidding. You don't have to. I'm not at that level. Yeah, I don't know. Just have fun. Just have a good night, day, whenever time you're watching this. Just okay.